If you're having issues with the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Gen 2, from factory resetting to finding the serial number, this is the SoundGuys troubleshooting guide to the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Gen 2. In general, it's best to make sure that both the earbuds and charging case have a full charge, and if it's still having issues, the first step is to do a factory reset. You'll want to remove the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Gen 2 from your paired devices list before doing a factory reset. To factory reset the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Gen 2, repeat the following 3 times in a row. Yes, you heard me right. Repeat the following steps 3 times in a row. With the earbuds in the charging case and the case open, press and hold the button on the back of the case for 25 seconds until the earbud's status light slowly pulses blue and then turns off. After the third time, the status light will blink amber for 3 seconds. If the status light slowly blinks blue, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Gen 2 has been factory reset properly. Now that you're factory reset, you'll need to pair the earbuds to your phone again. Normally, when opening the case next to an Android phone, it will automatically be detected. If it doesn't show up, you'll have to move to manual pairing mode. To put the QuietComfort Ultra Gen 2 to pairing mode, with the earbuds in the charging case and the case open, press and hold the button on the back of the case until the earbud status light slowly pulses blue. On your device, access the Bluetooth settings, and you might need to scan for new devices. Select the QuietComfort Ultra under the list of available devices. If the earbuds still aren't connecting, make sure that the case and earbuds have a charge. Opening or closing the case will have the indicator light flash white. The inside indicator light shows the charging status of the earbuds. If the earbuds themselves do not seem to charge, take them out of the charging case and check the charging pads on the earbuds and make sure they're clean. Check the inside of the case to make sure there are no obstructions between the earbuds and the charging pads as well. If you're having issues with how the QuietComfort Ultra sounds, chances are there is a fit issue. Before changing the tips and fins, make sure there isn't anything blocking the nozzle. If it is blocked, you can clean the grill by taking off the nozzle. Since you're doing that, make sure that you have a proper fit to get the best performance out of the drivers and ANC. The medium size comes pre-installed. To change the size, flip over the ear tip, grip the base, and pull firmly. The base has a solid ring that fits over the nozzle. To take out the stability fins, pull one side to stretch it out and pull it over the earbud to remove them. When installing a different size, make sure you line up the notch on the band to the notch on the earbud for the band to get a proper seat. If you're having issues getting accidental touch controls with the QuietComfort Ultra, you can disable the touch controls with the Bose app. Select the Bose QC Ultra Gen 2 earbuds, tap the gear icon on the top right corner, scroll down, and under Product Control, select the Touch Control option. This is where you can turn off the touch control. If you're looking to change what it does instead, you can change what the shortcut control does. To change the shortcut on the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2, go into the Bose app and select the Bose QuietComfort. Select shortcut at the bottom left of the menu. You can have different shortcuts for each earbud. You can even turn it off here. If nothing works and you're still having issues with your Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2, you may want to check with technical support or initiate a return. Chances are you'll need to provide the serial number. You can access the serial number through the app. Select the Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds, tap the gear icon on the top right hand corner, scroll down, and under support, tap technical info, and it will show you the serial number of the connected earbuds. If you're unable to connect to the app, the case has the serial number on the inside lip of the case. For the earbuds themselves, it's a little more complicated. You'll need to scan the QR code underneath the stability band. It's on both the left and right earbuds. If we've helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more news about audio gear. Happy listening!